Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the aspect ratio in a CapCut video. We start by opening the CapCut project with the video we want. After that, at the bottom of the options menu, we scroll down and look for the so-called aspect ratio to click on it. Next, we will see different aspect ratio modes. We will click on the one we need and we will see that it changes in our video. If you want, you can use 2 fingers on the video to enlarge it and adjust it to the applied ratio. Finally, once we have our new aspect ratio, we can export our video. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.